The starting system. The starting system is a combination of mechanical and electrical parts that work together to start the engine. The starting system is designed to change the electrical energy which is being supplied by the battery into mechanical energy. For this conversion to be accomplished, a starter or cracking motor is used. The basic starting system includes the following components: battery, cable and wires, ignition switch, starter solenoid or relay, starter motor, starter drive and flywheel ring gear, starting safety switch. The starter requires large amount of current, up to 400 amperes, to generate the torque needed to turn the engine. The conductors used to carry this amount of current, battery cables, must be large enough to handle the current with very little voltage drop. It will be impractical to place a conductor of this size into wiring harness to the ignition switch. To provide the control of the high current, all starting systems contain some type of magnetic switch. There are two basic types of magnetic switches used in a starting system: the solenoid and relay. The ignition switch is the power distribution point for most of vehicles' primary electrical systems. The ignition switch is spring-loaded into the start position. This momentary contact automatically moves the contact to run position when the driver releases the key. All other ignition switch positions are the 10th position. The neutral safety switch is used on vehicles that are equipped with automatic transitions. It opens the starter control circuit when the transmission shift selector is any position except park or neutral. Vehicles that are equipped with automatic transitions require a means of preventing the engine from starting while the transmission is in gear. Without this feature, the vehicle would lung forward or backward once it was started, causing the personal or property damage. The normally open neutral safety switch is connected in series into the starting system control circuit and is usually operated by the shift lever when in the park or neutral position. The switch is closed, allowing current to follow this starter circuit if the transmission is in a gear position. The switch is opened and current cannot flow to the started circuit. Many vehicles that are equipped with manual transmissions use a similar types of safety switch. The engine starting system consists of a heavy duty motor with a drive pinion that engages with a gear on the engine flywheel and the electrical control circuit to operate the motor. The starter motor power output has to be able to crank a cold engine at a sufficient speed to start it. A 2-liter petrol engine will have a starter motor of about 1 kilowatt, which will spin the engine about 150 rpm. A similarly sized diesel engine will require double the power and possibly twice the cranking speed to start. The main components of starter motor are the magnetic fields, armature, drive pinion, and solenoid. The circuit consists of a battery supply, earth cables, and starter switch. The current motor is direct current DC electromagnetic unit that usually has 2 pairs of magnetic foil shoes arranged at opposite position inside the motor casting. The casting acts as the yoke for magnetic foils. The magnetic pole shoes can be strong permanent magnets or electromagnets using a winding.